Another year has come and gone, and we wanted to thank all of you out there for making SpeedAddicts.com the fastest growing gear site on the web. This channel just hit 1 million views. Thanks to you guys out there. We're looking forward to 2023. This eggnog is for you, and now on to the gear. First on our shopping list here is a Speed Addicts exclusive. These are ProGrip Powersports soft loop tie down. So if you've never used a soft loop, you're used to just hooking the metal loop onto your handlebar. Don't do that. Save your handlebars the stress there. Go with the soft loop. It comes with this extra strap of nylon webbing that loops around your handlebars. And these come in 4-packs. They're very sturdy. We've been selling these for a number of years. One of our top sellers, they come in red, orange, green, and all black. A 4-pack is only $39 delivered to your door, and you can get a 2-pack for $24.95. Again, that is the ProGrip Powersports soft hook tie down. Next up on our list is the FMX Factory Racing Motocross helmet. This is another Speed Addicts exclusive. Another doorbuster, $79 to $85 depending on which color you pick. So a killer deal. It's going to ship for free. It is DOT rated, and it comes in the matte black as well as a number of different colorways: red, green, blue, and gray. There are also youth sizes available. So this makes a great gift for the kids. You can get them a properly fit U-size helmet. It also comes in adult sizes. Again, this is the Factory Racing Motocross helmet for as low as $79, available only at SpeedAddicts.com. Next up, another Speed Addicts exclusive from FMX Factory Racing. This is our world famous extra large FMX gear bag. This thing is huge. It is high quality. It's going to last you a long time for only $89 delivered. That is shipping included on this gear bag, and it holds my size 13 boots, no problem. As well, in the center, I have my helmet, my shin guards, all my extra gear, my body armor. This thing will hold it all. When we say extra large, we mean it. It also has side pockets in addition to the boot pockets that are vented on each side. All right, we got grab handles, easy to grab and throw it in and out of the truck on each side. We also have these side compartments. One of them is vented, and then we have the other one for a cell phone, and then a larger side compartment over here. And you also get, in each one, you have a shoulder strap. So easy to grab and go, load them up. They come in a variety of colors. The FMX Factory Racing Extra Large Gear Bag. Next up on our shopping list, we have the TECHSPEC grip kits. So not only do they make individual tank grips, but they make these full grip kits for the side of your tank as well as the middle of the tank. So this is some of the best money you can spend to upgrade your ride. You're gonna get better grip, better control of the machine while having less vibration. This is their most popular compound. This is the snake skin. We sell more of these than any other. They also have the X line, which is more of a track focused neoprene soft feel. But the snake skin is my favorite. These are relatively affordable. If you're just gonna get a tank grip, the center pad on its own, these universal kits, they're like $20. Most of the full bike kits for different year makes and models are running around $70 to $90. They also have them for panners and universal sheets. The TECHSPEC grip pads are all actually made in Nevada. So these are all made in the United States. Great quality stuff. They stand behind their products, and definitely one of the top items on our shopping list this year. When it comes to Bluetooth comm units, there are a lot of choices. We're gonna make it real easy for you this year. If you're looking for a gift or even for yourself, the best bang for the buck, CARDO Spirit HD. Now this doesn't have mesh capability, so you can't talk to a huge group of riders. It's intercom 1-to-1, so up to 2 people, of course. But everything else is absolutely top tier. It has their HD upgraded 40mm speakers. It is waterproof. It uses the CARDO Connect app. This unit is just awesome, and the best part about it, $134 for the holidays for one unit. You can also buy it as a pair for $256 at a little bit of a discount. Again, CARDO Spirit HD, best bang for the buck when it comes to comm units. You can listen to your tunes, take calls, listen to your navigation, and talk to a riding buddy. Check it out at SpeedAddicts.com. Well, if you've got toys, we all know you've got dead batteries. If you already don't have a nice lithium jump starter in your kit, it's time. Or if you have someone on your shopping list that's impossible to shop for, say that father-in-law, this is the go-to. They'll dig it. They can jump start a vehicle, and they can charge all their consumer electronics. So Antigravity, they're actually headquartered down here in SoCal, not far from us. We've been selling their products for a number of years. They hold up great. The founder actually started the company out of his garage here in California. So great American story here and an awesome product. So they have a variety of sizes They start at $89 for the MicroStart Sport. That's the smallest one. That's great for starting motorcycles. You can even throw in your backpack and take it on the go. Super easy. Then they have the XP1 and the XP3, and then the XP10 series. This will start up to a V10. This is great to throw in the RV. You're going to be able to start that RV or truck a number of times and have plenty of juice left over to charge any consumer electronics. Now, we have details on capacities and capabilities over at speedex.com for each one of these units, but a quick rundown on the XP10. This one's got a flashlight, you got USB out for charging, and then you have additional accessory ports. It comes with a number of different adapters. I mean, you can charge virtually anything on the planet, all with what comes in the XP10 HD kit here, as well as, of course, your alligator clamps here. So those are the micro starts from Antigravity. Next up, we have another Speed Addicts exclusive doorbuster here. So we purchased all the remaining heated gear from the Tourmaster Synergy 7.4 volt series, and we are blowing it out this holiday season to you guys. We have gloves for $99. These are lithium battery powered. They are Hypora waterproof. They are ready to go. Push button function, 4 temperature settings to keep you nice and toasty. The vest and jacket are also available. The vest is going for $89 and the jacket's for $99. This is going to be the best value in heated gear you're going to be able to find this year. It's got a 2-year warranty from Tourmaster, and the battery life will last anywhere from 2 to 9 hours depending on the temperature setting that you dial in. So check it out, Tourmaster Synergy 7.4, and stay warm in those winter riding temps. Next up on our shopping list, we have a little bit of insurance to sell you. So if you've been thinking about purchasing a airbag vest, this is probably the one to get if you're riding on the street and you want one that's a little bit more affordable and versatile. So this is the new TECHSPEC from Alpinestars. This is an airbag vest. The airbag deploys in case of an accident and will really save your bacon here. So this is going for $599. It's in very limited supply. We only have a few left, so if you want one of these for you or a loved one, move quickly. Now this is not an inexpensive piece of riding gear, but it is substantially less money than the Tech Air 5, which has a hard back protector on it, which means it's not quite as portable as the Tech Air 3. And this unit can be worn outside as an outer layer as well as underneath a riding jacket. So the Tech Air 3, $599, good peace of mind to purchase this holiday season. Next up, we got some gear for those who are definitely not on the naughty list. This is higher end stuff. The 6D ATR-2, this is the Super Patriot graphic, which is a two-face non-symmetrical graphic. Really cool looking here. It's matte on one side, gloss on the other. So when it comes to helmet safety, 6D has really pushed the boundaries in our opinion. This is one of the safest motocross helmets you can purchase today because of the way it manages rotational energy. If you want to see our full video on the ATR-2, you can check out the channel and learn more about this helmet. They're going to run you $769 for adults, and the youth comes in at substantially less money. $489 makes one yours. So if you got a kid that's racing and they're going to be taking hits, get them in a 6D ATR-2. You won't be sorry. Last but certainly not least on our list is the HJC RPHA 1N. This is the latest and greatest racing helmets from HJC. It has extreme aerodynamic performance. This is truly MotoGP ready, and it is sanctioned or homologated by FIM. So that means it has the latest safety technology baked into this thing. The livery you see before me is their special edition, limited edition Red Bull Coda Series helmet. We have a few of these left from earlier this year that came in. So if you've had your eye on one, now is the time. They probably won't make it into 2023, and this is a limited run. So the HJC RPHA 1N for that track day fiend or aggressive street rider, this is where it's at. Now, that does it for our 2022 gift guide list. We appreciate y'all for watching. Ride safe and have a happy holiday.